Cybersecurity. I hear nonsense all the time. For months, people have been saying you can skip your CCNA and after a few weeks, just get your Google Cybersecurity Certificate and you can drive your green Lamborghini. Now, people wake up, get rejected, and guess what? It's AI, it's ghost jobs. See the problem here? Too many people in cybersecurity are misleading you and they feed you with endless nonsense and false shortcuts. Use logic. Observe reality. Cybersecurity isn't entry level, period. So you see the problem here. These people who mislead you, first they tell you, skip CCNA, you don't need VLANs anymore, it's a thing of the past, skip IT help desk, start applying straight for cybersecurity positions, and then when you get rejected, they tell you, it's the market, it's AI, it's ghost jobs. Stop the madness. So let's talk about 3 huge lies I hear all the time. Let's have it right. Lie number 1. AI is replacing cybersecurity jobs. Listen, AI is just a tool. Can be powerful, but it's just a tool. So either you use this tool or you'll use it as an excuse to justify your lack of networking foundations and your will to stop learning. Lie number 2, ghost jobs are everywhere. Look, there are no ghost jobs here. Companies have problems, they hire professionals, you need to have networking experience. If you have it, they will hire you. Those ghosts will disappear. Lie number 3, the market is too hard right now. But again, if you become an expert, if you have solid networking foundations, you'll see yourself with much more opportunities than I had when I started my career over 30 years ago. Do you want real success? Understand that those people are lying. You need solid foundations first, and cybersecurity isn't entry level. So before even starting thinking about cybersecurity, you need to have your foundations right. Start from CCNA first, and yes, I know, CCNA is not cybersecurity. CCNA doesn't guarantee you a cybersecurity position on its own, but it's the prerequisite to understand the network. I really don't want to spend more time on this because it's ridiculous. It's like thinking about a company giving you an opportunity to protect their network, you don't know VLANs, is like leaving your door, your front door open, wide open for attackers. When you have your networking foundations right, now it's time to start thinking about your cybersecurity career. I'm not going to give you a full, no BS cybersecurity roadmap today. If you want it, just subscribe because I'm going to give you this roadmap very soon. For today, I'm going to give you the 2 certifications that you really need to get your cybersecurity job when you have your networking foundations right. And if your question is, can I skip networking foundations? The answer is no. So the first cybersecurity certification that I recommend is Security Plus. And to be really honest, it's the only CompTIA certification I recommend. However, be careful because out there they are telling you that you can prepare your Security Plus in a week, you can skip things, and you can just memorize questions. This is not true. Remember, even at CompTIA now, they are introducing labs for the exam. So when you prepare your Security Plus, you'll see labs asking you for subnetting, for example. And if you don't know subnetting, you don't have a chance to pass Security Plus. You see, networking is vital. And I don't want to hear I can pass even if I don't know. Because yes, you can memorize, you can pass, but then you'll be rejected when you go to job interview. The second cybersecurity certification I recommend is OSCP. Why OSCP? Well, OSCP is totally hands-on and proves that you have offensive hands-on experience. If you don't know how to attack, you'll never learn effectively how to defend properly. So you see, These are the 3 steps to get your real cybersecurity job. Get solid networking foundations first, get solid foundations at Security Plus level, get OSCP hands-on experience as an attacker. If you are doing something different, if you are not in IT yet, start from an IT help desk position first. You are going to learn a lot. I did it, so there's nothing wrong with that. You cannot think to jump from an unrelated job to cybersecurity from day one. This is not possible. There are steps here. Steps you can't skip. It's not about recommendation, it's not about AI, it's not about ghost jobs, it's about foundations. If you get those foundations right, those ghost jobs will disappear together with the fear of AI. And by the way, this is not the end, it's just the beginning. When you become a cybersecurity engineer with solid hands-on experience, you need to become an expert. And I'm going to talk about this later in the next videos.